Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an address in the Temu application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the addresses button. And then click on the add a new address button. So first you have to set your country or region. And then you have to set your name. And then your address. And then some other optional addition like suite or apartment or anything. And then you have to set your zip code, your city, and then you have to select the state, and lastly you have to add your phone number. And once you're done with everything, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.